Hi, this is the POCO F5 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just first open the box to check all of them. So here we could see that the first thing that is the charger, the adapter, the Xiaomi original one with all of the specifications. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable. And let's check this paper box. So here we could see also the SIM eject tool, some paperwork, the warranty card, safety guides, and the quick start guides. And also we got here the silicone protective case. In my case, this is the case in clear color. So that's it, that all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.